We'll guide you through how to download and install OptiFine in Minecraft 1.21.7. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. OptiFine will go and optimize the game and also go and give you access to more settings, and you can do things like zoom as well. So we'll guide you through how you can get it. To get started, what we can do is go and quit Minecraft, as we'll need to relaunch it when OptiFine's installed. Here we are on the desktop. Now what you need to do is go and open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, I'll go and use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. Before we get any further though, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server, so if you're interested in one yourself, go and check out the link down below in the pinned comment and the description. Right now you can go and get a discount, so it's a good time to go and look. Scroll down and you can start going and checking out some of the great features like one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, meaning you can go and get the help anytime you need it with the 24/7 live chat. There are so many other great benefits you can go and read through here as well, like instant setup and much more. So check them out down below. But to continue with the guide, what we want to do is go and search for OptiFine and come to the OptiFine site, which is optifine.net. Once you're here, you can go and check out all the features here, but to go and get it, press downloads at the top. We can then go and see 1.21.7. At the moment, we've got the preview versions. At some point, you're going to go and see the download button. If it's still preview, you can click on it to expand it. Then you want to go and get the most recent one, as this is going to go and have the most up-to-date features. And then what you can do is go and press download. You're then going to be taken to an ad wall here. Just be aware if you see a download button, it's for the ad. To go and get OptiFine downloading, you need to go and wait for the countdown in the top right, and we can then go and press skip, and we brought here. Then what we can do is go and press download, and it's going to go and download, go and wait for it to finish. It now has. And then what we can do is come out of our web browser and we can go and install it. What you need to do is go and open up your file explorer at the bottom here. You can come to your downloads. In here, you then want to go and find OptiFine, and you want to go and double click on it like so. Now you should go and get this pop-up here. If you find it doesn't open, maybe nothing opens or something else opens, this is because you don't have Java or it's not working right. So what you can do is return to your web browser and you want to go and search for Java. You can come straight to java.com, find the download, and you can go and click download Java for desktops and then download it here. After it's downloaded, you can go and install it. Then what you want to do is you want to go and find OptiFine. After you've gone and installed Java, right click on it, hover over open with and press choose another app. Then select Java and press always. Then it will go and run and you'll go and see the option here for install and you want to go and install it. If you find it still doesn't work, you need to do something called a jar fix, and this will go and relink jar and Java files together again. And then what we can do is close out of this and you want to go and open up the Minecraft launcher. In the launcher, you need to go to the left of play and make sure you go and select OptiFine and that it is for 1.21.7. We can then press play. We can understand the risk for playing a modified version and press play again. I've now come into a world. What we can do is go and pause it by pressing escape, and you can press options, then video settings, and in the bottom left, it will go and say OptiFine. You'll notice you've got access to a lot more settings here and things like shaders as well. So overall, it's a great addition to Minecraft. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video.